What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can install and run OpenClaw with Ollama completely locally as a complete beginner. So this will be an actionable step-by-step guide on exactly what you need to do and exactly what commands you need to run for everything to work properly. Now let's get right into it. So first off, you would just need to open up your terminal and you would just need to have an operating system installed. Now I will be running this on my Ubuntu Linux operating system. So let's go ahead and get started with the first command. So first we would need to install Node.js and then Ollama, so we have everything that we need for the OpenClaw installation. Now to install Node.js, you can run this command right here, and then just press enter to run it, and that will install Node.js. So as you can see, it installs the latest version, which is version 25.6. Next up, once you have the Node.js installed, you can start with installing Ollama. Now for this, I will be using the weaker version of Ollama. As you can see, I told this to pull the 2.5 version, but you can use the latest version if you have a stronger GPU. Now I'm installing this on a VPS, which doesn't have a GPU, only a processor, so this will be the only version that it can take. But if you would like the latest version, you would just need to replace this with the version that you want. So I'll just go ahead and run this version for now. And now it's just installing this version of Ollama LLM. So this can take a few moments. And there we go. So Ollama is now installed on our device, and we can continue with installing actual OpenClaw bot. So for this, I will just be using this command right here. Again, all the commands will be in the description or in the pinned comment. So npm install globally OpenClaw the latest version. This can also take a while because it's actually even larger installed than Ollama. Next up, once the OpenClaw bot is installed, we can go ahead and initiate the onboarding process. For this, we'll be using this command, OpenClaw onboard install daemon. So let's go ahead and press start to initiate it. And there we go. Now we got into the OpenClaw setup wizard, so this can take a few moments, but you would just need to wait and let it install. Also, before we get into the setup wizard, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. So for the setup wizard, here we can only use our keyboard, and we would just need to select yes, I understand this is inherently risky, and then confirm the selection with enter. On the next step, just go ahead and select quick start, again by pressing enter. And then here is the key part. So this, they don't have Ollama here available, so we would just need to select skip for now and then confirm it. Here, go ahead and select all providers, and then select enter model manually. Then you can just press enter on this, because we will be replacing the config file with a custom command later on. And here's where we need to select the chat app of our choice through which we will interact with our OpenClaw bot. Now I have videos on this, how you can set it up with Telegram, with Discord, and with Signal right here. So if you would like to set it up with any of these, you can watch these videos and find them on the channel. But for this example, I will go ahead and set it up with Telegram because it's the simplest one or the simplest option. So I will select Telegram by pressing enter. And then I'll just go into my Telegram account right here, and you would just need to find the botfather user. So this process is very simple. You can watch my full video on it if you get stuck in any steps, but essentially you would just need to start the new bot command, then select the display name of your bot, and then just add the bot at the end of that display name so you can create a username. Then if the username is available, your bot will be created, and you would just need to get this access token right here and paste it over into the Telegram bot token tab. Once you have your Telegram bot access token, just go ahead and press enter to confirm it. Here you would just need to confirm by pressing enter on yes, configure skills now. Then you would need to install Homebrew for everything to work, so just go ahead and confirm yes, install Homebrew, and then select npm. After that, you will be on the skill configuration screen or skill configuration step, and here you would just need to select which skills you would like to add to your OpenClaw bot. So you select these by using your arrows on your keyboard and then pressing space on the skill that you would like to select. You also have a short skill description right here in this red text, so you can read each skill and then select the ones that you would like to use with your OpenClaw bot. The most important skill that I would recommend installing or selecting is the Claude Hub skill. This skill would allow you to add custom skills using your chat app to your OpenClaw. So this is essentially the skill that would unlock unlimited amount of skills to you. There are also some other helpful skills, like for example Obsidian right here, that would allow you to connect your nodes with your OpenClaw so you can stay on the same page. Now for the rest of these, you can read each one and then select the ones that you think suit for you. Next up, once you have all of your skills selected, you would just need to press enter to confirm your choices and then proceed to the next step. Now, depending on the amount of skills that you selected, they will be installed, so this can take a few minutes if you selected a large amount of skills. Next up, you would just need to add all the API keys that are required for the skills that you selected. So for example, if you selected the Google Places skill, you would just need to search in your search bar for Google Places API key and then just go ahead and copy paste that key right here. So before doing so, you would need to select yes, I would like to proceed with this skill, and then just paste your API key here. Once you have your API key pasted, just go ahead and confirm it by pressing enter. And then you would just need to do the same for each one of these. I'll just skip these because the process is completely the same. Here I will also skip this by pressing space for skip now and then selecting it with enter or confirming it with enter. Next up, you would just need to install the gateway service. So for me it was auto installed, but you might have a menu where you would just need to select yes, install the gateway service. That's the very important part. And once you have your gateway service installed, you would be able to hatch it, but for us we will do this later because we first need to connect it with our Ollama LLM. So just go ahead and select do this later. And here, if you set up everything correctly, you should be getting the onboarding complete text. But for now, we would just need to exit the setup wizard by pressing Ctrl C, and that will give us the access to the terminal once more. Once you have the access to the terminal again, you would just need to paste over this command so it can replace the config file for the LLM with our local Ollama LLM. And now just go ahead and confirm it by pressing enter. And there we go. If you did everything correctly, you should be getting this done message right here. And lastly, what you would need to do is just restart the gateway for everything to work properly. So this is pretty simple command, just a user restart OpenClaw gateway and then press enter. And there we go. So once we restarted the gateway, you would just need to open your Telegram bot chat just like this and just start the chat with your Telegram bot. From there, he will give you the pairing code and the command that you would need to initiate. So just go ahead and copy this command, paste it over in your chat, and then copy over the code and just replace this part right here. Just make sure that you remove these arrows from the end. Then you can just select the whole thing and paste it over into your terminal. So as you can see, I left the arrows in and then the command didn't work. But when I removed the arrows, the command went through. So essentially guys, that's how you set up your OpenClaw bot with Ollama. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.